In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix VRBO payment failed. Let's get started. First, check your payment details carefully. Make sure your card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing addresses are all correct. Even a small typo can cause the transaction to fail. If your card is expired or recently replaced, update it with the new details and try again through the VRBO website or app. Next, contact your bank or card provider. Sometimes bank blocks VRBO payments for security reasons, especially if it looks like an international transaction or unusual activity. Ask your bank if they are declining the charge and request them to allow it. You should also try switching payment methods. VRBO allows credit cards, debit cards, and sometimes PayPal depending on your reason. If one card fails, try another payment method to see if it goes through. Next, you can contact VRBO support or your host directly because sometimes the issue is related to the property's payment system or temporary platform downtime. Another important fix is checking your internet connection and browser. Weak Wi-Fi, VPN usage, or outdated app versions can interrupt the payment process. Try turning off VPN, switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or using a different browser like Chrome or Safari. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, completely delete VRBO, then reinstall it. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.